And ngayon naman, imi-meet namin guys, yung mga host namin sa Bigo na kambal. Hello mga Zoobs! Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat. And alam nyo ba, ngayong Sunday, natapos na namin ang lunch dun sa aming Wawa. And ngayon naman, imi-meet namin guys, yung mga host namin sa Bigo na kambal. First time namin silang imi-meet at first time nyo silang makikita dito sa vlog namin. Yes, sa mall yan. Okay Mimi, don't worry, sa mall. Kasama natin ang buong barkada, ang buong pamilya nandito. Kaya, syempre, dapat sa mall. And since malapit lang din sila dito sa area, kaya kahit umuulan, hindi tayo titigil ng kakagala. Wala nang bagyo mga Zoobs ha. Ano na lang tayo, ambon-ambon na lang. And ito, habang binabaybay namin ang papunta doon, wala nang traffic. Kasi nga linggo na din. Si Mimi gustong mag-mall. Si Lele, mag-time zone. Kizuna pala. Kasi marami doon activities usually pag Sunday doon. So, ito na. On the way na kami doon. I'll keep you posted. And excited na kaming i-meet si Ashley and Naomi.
Hello.
Grabe, makeup naman tayo. Question. Yes. Yes. No.
All the right words pours from your mouth, holding me tight, saying I'm all yours, but I feel in my gut it doesn't feel right. I see in your eyes. Tell me no lie, 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 lie. Tell me no lies, tell me no lies.
Oh, look at that!
Hindi mo naabot.
Do you like it? Do you like it? Can I carry you so you can put it? Huh?
Para.
We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that, 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 we got that love, we got that, we got that. Kiss me and the world disappears. Tell me the things that I wanna hear. I just wanna stay right here. You push me out, but I come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh,
Nakabalik na kami mga Zoobs. Galing kami ng UP Town. Hindi kami na traffic. In fairness, dire-diretso lang yung ano namin. Yung ride namin kahit na umuulan. So ito ngayon, si Mimi, syempre gusto niya nasa labas pa rin. Ika na Mimi. Kaya pababa na kami. Mims?
Yeah.
Baba na naman tayo, no? Saan ba tayo punta?
The
And lounge.
Yeah, your favorite place.
Yeah. The dark chocolate.
You're gonna get dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Barbie. Thank you.
You look Diana Zubiri. You are. Can I take a picture? Sure. Yay.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun. But it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you?
Ay mga zoobs, nasa bahay na kami. So tayo ay... Asan ba yung mga gamit kong pangtanggal ng makeup? Tatanggal muna tayo ng... Wow, hindi man ako naka-makeup. Yung kilay ko lang actually. Antok na ako eh. Anyway. Ayan. Habang nagtatanggal tayo ng kilay. Kilay is life, no? Siyempre, gusto ko lang din sabihin sa inyo na yung na-meet namin kanina na sila... Wait lang. Para mas maayos. So, yung na-meet namin kanina na kambal, ay na-meet namin yun paulit-ulit. Ay nakilala namin through Bigo, yung Bigo Live Philippines. Sa Bigo Live Philippines, meron kaming agency. Yan yung agency namin ni Andy na binuo since 2019. Yan. Tapos, kumukuha kami ng mga influencers, ng mga artista, regular people din. Mas marami actually yung mga regular or ordinary, ano lang, na nasa ano namin, nasa agency namin. Tapos, karamihan po sa mga Bigo Live ay nagsistream lang sila, pero yung iba kumakanta, papakita na, nag-showcase ng iba't ibang talent, ganyan. Pero most po ng hawak namin ay hindi naman kumakanta. So yun, yung mga housewife, yung mga working student, yan, mostly ang ating tinutulungan dyan. So, naging malaki po yung agency namin dyan, especially nung nag-pandemic, kasi mas maraming tao ang nawalan ng trabaho. So, syempre, pupunta sila online. Lahat ng mga tao nun nasa phone, especially kami. So, kami ni Andy, grateful kami na nung pandemic, meron kaming napagkuhanan ng income. Ito nga pong Bigo. At lumaki siya ng lumaki. And I'm very proud to say na hanggang ngayon po ay successful ang Bigo namin. So kung kayo ay may kakilala or gustong sumali sa Bigo, tumatanggap po kami ng host kahit walang talent. Basta marunong lang makipag-usap, may sariling phone, at may wifi. Yun lang yung requirements. Sorry, si Mimi gising pa. Gising na gising pa sila. So, ayun. You can PM me on my Instagram. You can also download Bigo na and follow my ID. My ID is Diana Zubiri. And then, gawa na kayo ng account. Pag nakagawa na kayo ng account, you can PM me para masabi ko sa inyo yung magiging proseso. And usually, it will only take a week. So, you can start na. And maganda yan na magsimula kayo kapag first week of the month, which is ngayon na. So, dapat mag-download na kayo at mag-message na kayo sa akin. So, ayan mga Zoobs, antayin ko yung message ninyo and maraming salamat po sa nanood ng ating vlog for today. And aantayin ko kayo sa inyong message. And of course, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors for our Philippine vlog. Thank you so much mga Zoobs. Happy Sunday and good night sa inyong lahat. Mag-wash na ako ng mukha. Hugas na tayo. Kasi oil yung nilagay ko. So, bye!